The Nongkrem Dance Festival began on the 11th of November 2024 and will conclude on the 12th of November. This traditional festival of Hima Khyrim started with the Pomblang Iewduh ceremony, where a procession took place from the royal residence in Smit to Lum Pomblang. The rituals involved sacrifices, including the offering of a rooster and the sacrifice of a goat. Thousands of people gathered to witness the Pomblang Iewduh, joined by the SAM or Chief of Hima Khyrim, Pa-Aim Balajit Singh SAM, and the SAM of Hima Malim, Pa-Aim Ainam Manik SAM, who were present to observe the proceedings. Warriors participated in dances and performed ceremonial steps before the procession, accompanied by the firing of guns as they moved from the royal residence to Lum Pomblang.